such a super fan. I think that show is hilarious,
Thank you.
irreverent, brilliant. I love
I'm going to use that as a tear quote.
It is.
Rachel Ray says, irreverent, brilliant.
Yes. And I love your real life wife and your fake wife on the show.
Thank you. Thank
They're
you.
amazing. Samantha Bee is awesome. Hi, Samantha. How are you, baby? And your fake wife is super hot, and I got a girl crush on her from watching her in The Following. Natalie Z.
Yes.
She's amazing.
I did. Real life B, fake wife Z. So
B and Z.
B to Z. B to Z.
You went B to Z.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
So, if you guys have not watched The Detour, you need to make one, make a Detour on your DVRs and never miss it. It's hilarious.
Thank you.
Explain The Detour if people have not caught up to this.
It is, yes. It is a show about a family that is very decidedly anti-family.
They really are.
We wanted to create a show that, you know, speak how actual families talk, like these guys. You know what I mean? That you could tell each other to shut up, but at the end of the day, you don't mean anything by it, and you know, you come together.
But that's exactly what all of our real families are like.
Exactly.
People are afraid when they come to our house because we're so loud.
I know.
But we always end up happy and drinking together, so it's fine.
Yes, and this couple drinks, which you don't see a lot on tape.
I know.
You know, and then we, you know, one of the early on episodes, my son asked me, "Hey, what does alcohol taste like?" I was like,
Try it.
Yeah, try it.
My first word was
you're gonna
vino,
hate it.
man.
You're gonna hate it. It's awful. Hopefully that steers you clear of it for a few years.
For a couple years,
Yes.
it buys you some time.
Yes.
So how much of your real life fuels this? Because you guys write this as a team.
There was a situation early on this season. We were crossing the street. This happened in real life, and my son pointed at the walking man. You know, the stop.
Yeah.
And he says, "Hey, the white man's there. You can't go till the white man says." And he says it to a very lovely African American couple crossing on the right. He's like, "Hey, the white man didn't tell you to walk yet." I was like, no, stop that. That's no. First of all, don't applaud my son's idiocy.
And you guys have 3 kids,
We
yeah?
do. Yes.
You went back 3 times.
On purpose? No. Let's just say this. I got my consultation for a vasectomy after 2. But this is a true story. There's a 1-month waiting period in New York.
No.
So you don't get buyer's remorse.
There you go.
And guess what happened in that month?
Guess what happened?
Yeah.
Lucky number 3.
Yeah. Don't applaud my irresponsibility either.
I know.